Welcome to the South Africa Portal channel. If you have applied to Eduvos, one of the most important things to do after submitting your application is to check your application status regularly. This helps you know whether your application has been received, is under review, requires additional documents, or if you have been offered admission. This video explains exactly how to check your Eduvos application status, what each status means, common reasons for delays, and what to do after receiving your admission decision. Checking your application status allows you to confirm your application was successfully submitted, track the progress of your admission, find out if any supporting documents are missing, respond quickly to requests from the admissions office, accept your admission offer on time, prepare for registration before classes begin. Regularly monitoring your application can prevent unnecessary delays. Follow these simple steps. Visit the Eduvos student portal. Go to the official Eduvos website and open the student or applicant portal, www.eduvos.com/admissions. Log in. Enter your login details, which usually include email address, password created during your application. If you have forgotten your password, use the password reset option. Access your application dashboard. After logging in, locate your application dashboard. Here you will find information such as application number, program applied for, campus selected, current application status, outstanding requirements. Review your status. Your application dashboard will display the latest progress of your application. Check it regularly, because updates may occur throughout the admission process. Understanding the different application statuses can help you know what to expect. Application received. This means Eduvos has successfully received your application. No further action is usually required unless requested. Documents outstanding. Some required documents have not yet been received or verified. Examples include certified ID or passport, academic transcripts, grade 12 results, proof of payment where applicable. Upload the missing documents as soon as possible. Under review. Your application is currently being assessed by the admissions team. This stage may take several days or weeks depending on the application volume. Awaiting results. If you applied before your final school or examination results were available, Eduvos may wait until they receive your latest academic results. Provisionally accepted. Congratulations! This means you have met the initial admission requirements, but you may still need to complete additional steps before final acceptance. Accepted. Your application has been approved. You can now follow the instructions provided to complete registration. Unsuccessful. Unfortunately, your application did not meet the admission requirements. You may consider applying for another program if available. Processing times vary depending on time of year, number of applications received, completeness of your documents, program applied for. Applications submitted during peak admission periods may take longer. Checking your portal regularly is the best way to stay informed. If your application has remained unchanged for an extended period, confirm all documents were submitted. Double-check your application checklist. Missing documents are one of the most common reasons for delays. Check your email. Eduvos may contact you by email if additional information is required. Always check your inbox as well as your spam folder. Contact admissions. If there has been no update after a reasonable period, contact the Eduvos admissions office. Have the following information ready: full name, student or application number, ID or passport number, program applied for. This helps the admissions team locate your application quickly. If you cannot access your account, open the applicant portal. Click Forgot Password. Enter your registered email address. Follow the password reset instructions sent to your email. Create a new password. Log in again. After receiving your admission offer, you should accept the offer. Follow the instructions provided in your portal or admission email. Pay any required fees. Some programs may require payment of registration or acceptance fees. Complete registration. Register for your program before the deadline. Prepare supporting documents. You may still need to submit certified copies of certain documents before registration is finalized. To avoid delays, submit your application early. Upload clear certified documents. Use an active email address. Monitor your application regularly. Respond quickly to any requests from Eduvos. Keep your login details safe. Note: checking your Eduvos application status is an important step in the admissions process. By regularly logging into the applicant portal, ensuring your documents are complete, and responding promptly to any requests, you can avoid unnecessary delays and stay informed about your admission. Whether your application is still under review or you have already received an offer, staying proactive will help ensure a smooth transition into your chosen program at Eduvos.